Okay, learners. So now we're on part 4 of momentum and impulse. Now we are currently on impulse. Under impulse, impulse is the product of force and time. We normally say impulse is changing momentum. So if you are asked to calculate the impulse, we can use the car A, say change in momentum. It means final momentum minus initial momentum of car A. So remember the mass is the same because we are using the same car. So it's V final minus V initial. Then from there the mass for car A was 3 and V final for car A was -2. So we have -2 and V initial for car A is 3. So we have -3 there equals to we have 3 times -5, it's -15. So we can say newtons per second or kg meters per second. So those are the units for the impulse. So that's how we calculate the impulse. At times they will ask you to calculate the force or the time. So let's say they want you to calculate the force. Now when they want you to calculate that force, they will give you they will say, okay, let's make this question. Let's say the question is calculate the force exerted by car A on car B during the collision. If the collision lasts for 0.2 seconds, if the collision lasts for 0.2 seconds, calculate the force exerted by car A on B. So it's the force exerted by car A or B. The car A is exerting a force on B, meaning that, remember, a force is a vector, it should have a direction. So if this car A is exerting a force on car B, that force has to be positive because it's in the positive direction. Remember we said let to the right be positive. So the force exerted by car A on car B should be positive. Remember you're given the time, you say the collision lasts for 0.2 seconds. You always go to your impulse. You say, okay, multiply by delta T equals to change in P. So in this case, we already got change in P. We got change in P, which is -50. Then on this side, what do we have? On this side, the force is what we are looking for. The time was given. Remember, this is the contact time during the collision. So we have F net multiplied by the time is 0.2. Then from there we divide by 0.2 divide by 0.2. So there, that one was from car A, so this was supposed to be a positive. So when we use it here, we're supposed to use it as positive. This and that, therefore the F net should be equals to, can you divide? We have 15 divided by 0.2. 15 divided by 0.2. Therefore, the force exerted by body A, car A on B during the collision is 75 newtons. That's it.